Are you tired of juggling between multiple keyboards, monitors, and mice for your various computing devices? Say hello to the IOGEAR 16-port USB PS2 combo KVM switch GCS1716, your all-in-one solution for seamless multi-platform control. This powerhouse of a device boasts multi-platform OS support, accommodating Windows, Mac, Sun Solaris, and Linux systems effortlessly. With intuitive operation at its core, navigating between computers is a breeze. Whether it's via front panel LEDs, the on-screen display, OSD, or handy hotkeys, you have multiple options for computer selection, ensuring a user-friendly experience. Plus, with the ability to cascade up to 2 levels, you can effortlessly control up to 256 computers from a single console, maximizing efficiency and productivity. But that's not all. This KVM switch offers additional features to streamline your workflow. Auto Scan mode allows you to monitor connected computers effortlessly, while broadcast mode lets you send commands to all connected devices simultaneously, saving you valuable time and effort. Security is paramount, and the GCS1716 doesn't disappoint. With 2-level password protection for the OSD, you can rest assured that your sensitive data remains secure at all times. When it comes to performance, the GCS1716 delivers with a maximum video resolution of up to 2048 by 1536, ensuring crystal clear visuals for your computing needs. In terms of design, this KVM switch doesn't disappoint. With a sleek panel mount design and compact dimensions, 22 by 10 by 5.6 inches, it fits seamlessly into any workspace, maximizing desk space while delivering unparalleled functionality. In conclusion, the IOGEAR 16-port USB PS2 combo KVM switch GCS1716 is the ultimate solution for multi-platform control. With its easy operation, robust features, and top-notch performance, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their computing setup. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and hello to enhanced productivity with the IOGEAR GCS1716. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.